Moringa powder is one of the most potent superfoods available. It is rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, and has several health advantages for both men and women. Moringa powder is a very nutritious powder prepared from the Moringa oleifera tree's leaves. It is rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, and provides several health advantages. It has been demonstrated in studies to have several advantages, and it has been used for millennia in Ayurvedic medicine to treat a number of diseases. Moringa powder is a well-known nutritional supplement made from the Moringa tree. The tree's leaves are dried and processed into a powder that may be used orally or mixed into food and drinks. In this video, we are going to talk about the top 7 health benefits of Moringa. Welcome to our YouTube channel, and before we begin the video, don't forget to hit the like button, share the video, and subscribe to the channel. Number 7. It is high in vitamins and minerals. Many of the nutritious meals you consume have a particular nutrient that stands out. Consider carrots and vitamin A, citrus fruits and vitamin C, and nuts with vitamin E. Moringa leaves stand out as a superfood because 1 cup of chopped leaves contains significant levels of potassium, vitamin A, vitamin E, and magnesium, as well as iron, calcium, vitamin C, vitamin B6, and riboflavin. In fact, the leaves contain more vitamin C than oranges. Moringa may therefore help with everything from enhanced eyesight and immunity to bone health and skin vibrancy. 1 cup of chopped moringa leaves contains significant levels of iron, calcium, vitamin C, vitamin B6, and riboflavin, as well as potassium, vitamin A, vitamin E, and magnesium. Number 6. It contains plant-based protein. It's not always simple to locate accessible plant-based protein, whether you're a vegetarian or simply trying to cut less on meat. Sure, lentils and tempeh are options, but sometimes you simply want a fast, no-cook addition to smoothie bowls or soup. Moringa comes into play here. Powders prepared from its crushed leaves are high in protein -3 grams per tablespoon and have an advantage over legumes since they contain all of the key amino acids required for muscle repair, energy generation, and mood modulation. Moringa powder has 3 grams of protein per tablespoon and all of the key amino acids needed for energy synthesis, muscle repair, and other functions. Number 5. It may improve your sexual life. Stress may have an impact on your sexual life. It may disrupt hormone levels, increasing cortisol and lowering dopamine, resulting in decreased libido. Moringa has been proven in animal tests to not only lower cortisol levels, but it may also naturally increase testosterone levels, a known sex drive booster. Moringa extract was shown to improve sexual function in stressed mice by lowering cortisol and raising testosterone in one research. Moringa has been demonstrated to increase testosterone levels, which is a renowned sex drive booster. Animal experiments has also been demonstrated to improve sexual performance. Number 4. It may help with hormone balance. Menopause may mess with women's hormones and make them feel weird, but Moringa may help. According to a study published in the Journal of Food and Science Technology, postmenopausal women who took a combination of Moringa leaf powder and amaranth leaf powder for 3 months not only had lower oxidative stress markers, but also had better fasting blood glucose and hemoglobin levels, which could mean more balanced hormones. Moringa has also been linked to better thyroid health, which regulates hormones that affect energy, sleep, and digestion. Moringa has been proven to reduce oxidative stress indicators and enhance blood glucose levels in postmenopausal women. Moringa has also been demonstrated to benefit thyroid health, which regulates hormones associated with energy, sleep, and digestion. Number 3. It is beneficial to the liver. Consider your liver to be the body's detoxifier. Moringa may help it perform better by filtering the blood, detoxifying toxins, and metabolizing fat. First and foremost, Moringa includes large amounts of polyphenols that may reverse oxidation in the liver, and early animal research has suggested that Moringa intake can lessen signs of liver fibrosis and protect against liver damage. Moringa has a lot of polyphenols which help to counteract oxidation in the liver. Moringa has been demonstrated in preliminary studies to lessen symptoms of liver fibrosis and protect against liver damage. Number 2. It fights against free radicals. Pollution, fried food, and sun exposure are all sources of free radicals. They cause oxidative stress, cell damage, and accelerated aging by depriving your cells of an electron. The antidote: antioxidants present in Moringa such as flavonoids, polyphenols, and ascorbic acid. Antioxidant-rich diets have been demonstrated to reduce premature wrinkles and perhaps extend life. Moringa's antioxidants may help you live longer by preventing premature wrinkles. Number 1. It reduces inflammation. Move over, turmeric. There's a new anti-inflammatory in town. Moringa has been demonstrated to greatly reduce cellular inflammation. Moringa decreases inflammation by decreasing inflammatory enzymes and proteins in the body, in addition to possessing anti-inflammatory polyphenols and isothiocyanates. Moringa has been proven to reduce cellular inflammation. This is all from today's video. Thanks for watching, and remember to like, share, and subscribe.